elbows loose. You can see the pepper stand up. You have 2 corn dash there, so 2 spinners. And 2 flour dumplings there, so a float round. Okay, my YouTube fans, yes, we're at it again. tz&c, cooking what we crave. So today we're gonna whip up red pea soup. And you know we have cow skin, chicken foot, chicken neck. I know persons love them red pea soup with them pigtail and them salt beef, but as the settings they already are just cooking what we crave, and today we crave for some cow skin and chicken foot, chicken neck, red pea soup. So you see how the counter colorfully decorated. Here we have with sweet corn, pumpkin, the good old dashing yellow yam, carrot. Here we have with garlic, with little pepper, Irish, and you know flavoring cock soup. And you know the good old coconut milk. Yeah, you know I prefer using the natural coconut milk, but you know sometimes it's speed up process where we just go ahead and just use what is at hand. And we have a time scallion. So what we're gonna do first, you know your meat them have different texture. So we're gonna pressure the peas and the cow skin together for about 25 minutes. And after that 25 minutes, we're gonna add the chicken foot and the chicken neck to that for about 6 to 10 minutes. So because these are more harder, are tougher, we're gonna pressure them longer period. So without delaying, let us just jump into it. So we're gonna get the pressure off to a start now. So stay tuned. So yes, we are back again. Get some seasoning prepared in the meantime. So as you know, cooking take place in stages. So the first stage is we're gonna pressure with peas and with cow skin together. You see me? So have some wash time. We add it. We're not mince the garlic. We're just gonna cut along and just place it in there. Yeah, and scallion, yeah, 3 chunk, drop in. The pepper, well, I'm gonna leave at this for afterwards. Now we have some crushed pimento seed. Spice up the thing. You see me? Yeah. And you know the thing go already. Cooking with tz&c, cooking what we crave. Alright now. So persons tend to sometimes put the coconut milk when the patties are almost finished. But I like to put it in the beginning. I like to put it in the beginning of the process. So you know when I pressure the coconut milk now with the peas and that rich coconut oil flavor, boil out and help season your pea soup, giving it that flavor. You see me? So without any delay, we're gonna just jump in and just lock the pot and just make him go on pressure 25 minutes first, and then check and do a fork tender check to see if we can go ahead now and add in the chicken neck and the chicken foot. Stay tuned. So yeah, I don't know if you can hear the bad boy whistling at the background. Yeah, meat a pressure. You see me? So in the meantime, we're gonna get some flour knead up. You know you have to have little flour in your soup, you know. So get some flour knead. Just gonna pinch of salt in it. Good. Get that little stir. And just add some water. Yeah, so meanwhile the peas are pressure, we have things doing in the meantime. So when I finish this, I'm just gonna start prepare the vegetables and the food. Carrot, the Irish, dasheen, yam, yeah, peel them, get them prepared. So that as the meat get tender, fork tender, yeah, we just add the food in the pot, add in the rest of seasoning, and make him go and simmer down. You see me? Stay tuned. So we cut up some Irish, some carrot. Now we're dealing with some pumpkin. You see me? So meanwhile, that's a pressure. We are going to prepare the rest of vegetables for the soup. You know, we cut these pumpkin a bit small so that it helps to give the soup body. You know, when it boil and get real tender, break off, yeah, and just give that thick, rich body to the soup. So we are going to put the thing together. So put some more pumpkin in that. Yeah, so after the first 25 minutes, yeah, it is almost fork tender. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add the chicken neck and the chicken foot for the remainder, for about another 10 minutes max, to get everything on the same fork tender level. So stay tuned. Yes, so next what we're going to do now, we're going to add the chicken neck and the chicken foot. And as I said before, yeah, we're going to pressure. We're going to continue pressuring now for another 10 minutes. Yes, now we have the peas, the chicken foot, chicken neck, the cow skin. Yes, and the final 10 minutes of pressuring. Yes, and you know, the vegetables, the carrot, the Irish, the garlic, yeah, we're gonna add it at this point to just give it that flavor. Yeah, so after we get all the meat on the same fork tender level, yes, we go ahead and we add our sweet corn, our carrot, our pumpkin, sweet potato, and you know, dumpling, spinach is a must. So we're going to continue to boil for another 10 minutes. So there you have it. Yeah, elbows loose. You can see the pepper stand up. You have 2 corn dash this or 2 spinach, and 2 flour dumplings that sort of float around. You have your Irish pumpkin. Yeah, everything coming to a boil now. So we're just gonna let them continue boiling for about 10 more minutes, and then we turn it down low, put it on half flame. Castor, yeah, look at that, look at that, look at that guy, look at that, look at that, guys. Look at that, YouTubers. See them dumpling there float? One for me, one for me. Okay, good. Take a taste. Yeah, it could take a little more tubes of salt, but I'm going to make them soak some more. One boil up. Alright, stay tuned. Be right back. Yeah, I know what I think, you know. Yes, man, I can see it. You know, I say, yo, this man a real foodie. Look how film pot full right up to the brim. Yes, man, I love soup, peeps. Nah, lie, I love soup. Red pea soup. Yeah. So all this now, share out some in the morning, share out some in the evening. Yeah. 2 times serve on that done, you know, so now watch the amount. Nothing waste, nothing on dash way. You see me? Yeah. Soup. Yeah, man, soup a bubble up now. Here you see the peas, see the cow skin. Alright. Corn. Everything I come to bump, you know. Everything I come down to a nitty-gritty. So fire up on low now, so I just make it go on slow cook. Make everything soak in. All of the flavor. Yeah, you can see the richness on top of the soup. Look now, yeah man, that's the coconut powder now, coconut oil. Farm up. Yes, so here we have it, our final product. Yes, our red pea soup with cow skin, chicken foot, chicken neck. What more could you want on a Saturday evening? Guys, just look at it. You see a sweet corn, your dumpling, a spinach. Yeah, there you go. Yes, drop some comments in the comment section and tell me if you enjoy this video. And if you haven't watched the cow skin soup, I'm gonna put a link in the top right hand corner where you can go ahead and zoom in and also watch that video as well. I hope you enjoy watching these authentic Jamaican recipe as much as I enjoy preparing these Jamaican dishes for you. Thanks much for the support and continue to hit that thumbs up button. Also like, share and subscribe.